In this video, we'll run through how Eightwire allows you to securely share sensitive data with external parties. Don't worry, this isn't a technical video, but if you are considering deploying us within your organization, this can answer your questions around security, privacy, and usability. Eightwire is an innovative technology that allows you to easily and securely share data between your business systems and other enterprises. With Eightwire, you can keep working the way you normally would, and information that needs to be shared is extracted, checked for errors, and then loaded into your partner systems. Most importantly, all the hard work is automated for you, so you can build secure transfers while retaining full governance of your organization's data. Here's how it works. Eightwire is a cloud service that acts as a secure pipe by encrypting and transferring between your IT systems and other enterprises that you work with. Data is encrypted at rest and in transit, and we meet New Zealand government requirements for sensitive data sharing. One of the key features of Eightwire is you have complete control over what you want to share and with whom. This starts with the ability to filter data before it can be shared with other organizations. These filters cannot be viewed or changed by anyone else. Sharing information securely between enterprises is usually a complex and risky project. With Eightwire, we have built a workflow that allows you to share data with partners with built-in security protections. You put in the email address of the person you want to share data with and enter a data sharing agreement that they will need to agree with. We give you a PIN number that you'll need to share with your partner before they can accept any data. When the other party wants to complete the sharing agreement, they have to enter the PIN you sent them, accept the sharing agreement, and then link your system with theirs. Now Eightwire can map and move data between the two systems securely as if they were within the same network. If things change and you want to pause your data sharing, you can pause or delete data sharing agreements at any time. Pausing and deleting a data share is instant. Even if data is moving at that moment, it will be stopped. Processing data is when you decide what data from one system is going into another one. For example, this can be collecting patient and medication data and loading it into a data warehouse at a government agency, or client interactions into a finance system. Setting up a data transfer only takes a few steps. You select the source files or tables that you want to exchange. Eightwire uses learning algorithms to match data between systems and calculate how to move data between your system and a partner's without needing to write code. You have the ultimate control of what data goes where, so you can override the algorithm or create new tables or files to match the data coming in. If you look inside of a data process, you can see how Eightwire has linked everything together and is able to translate your information into something that the other system will understand. This can be done for any file or database table no matter how big and complex. When data is processed, Eightwire pulls data from the source systems, checks for errors, fixes the errors, transforms the data to match what the destination system needs, and then writes it into the system. This can be completed for hundreds of thousands of records every second. Data quality errors are prevented from harming your business operations. If we find data that is incorrect for any reason, we remove it from the feed and tell you what went wrong in plain English. The rest of your data is processed successfully so you don't have a system crashing because of a small error. Since 2015, we have been behind data sharing across every level of the New Zealand social services and healthcare sectors. Every month, we handle over 4 billion records of sensitive data with a success rate of more than 99.9%. Our home is in Wellington and we look forward to connecting with you in the future. We are Eightwire and this is trusted data sharing for you and your partners.